just go ahead and punch it out in this recording. Okay, so I want you guys to catch this. It's very important. So, dangers of this lab. We're dealing with lots of different things today. Okay, on top of you guys dealing with some hazardous scenarios and materials today, I'm also going to throw you guys into the trench without even telling you what to do. Because I want you guys are a smart class, I want to challenge you guys. So without even showing you how to set this lab up, I'm just going to throw you back there. Also,
and what if it be a fire? What if I
well, then there's a fire. Guess what? Guess what? You signed that safety contract.
What? Are we dealing with purpose?
I mean, it's your bag.
No, we're dealing with water.
Okay, so real quick. Shh, refocus. So not only am I going to not show you guys how to set the lab up, I'm not going to show you guys how to set the lab up. I'm also not going to tell you guys basically how to, I guess, because I actually left out one piece of equipment. So when you guys go to your lab table, pay attention, you're going to find 7 pieces of lab equipment. Alright? Hey guys, middle. Pay attention. It's very important.
Demetrius!
Hush, girl. Pay attention. This is very important.
You should do that too.
You gotta stop talking. Okay, so you have.
Y'all shut up.
Out of 7 pieces of equipment, you guys have 7 pieces of equipment. 1 piece of equipment is missing. So I'll challenge you on top of that. Also, instead of throwing you guys through a little check-off where I show you guys basically how to use a Bunsen burner, etc., etc., once again, I'm just going to throw you guys into it. You're going to have to figure it out. So, lots of dangers here. You guys, the purpose of this lab is to find out the boiling point of water. Remember, water is going to be boiling, everything's going to be hot. If you get boiling water onto your skin, what's going to happen to your skin? It's going to bubble up. Why is that?
Because it's burnt.
Because since water is real, yeah, it's real serious. Hopefully y'all know.
I'm trying to be serious. That's good.
Okay, so since water is real hot, what's your body made up of? It's made up of mostly water, 70% water. So if you heat something up, what happens to it? It expands.
Yeah.
So the water underneath your skin is going to expand. That's why it causes a little bump, a little ball on your. So if you get hot water or any type of heat towards your skin, it's going to cause your skin to bubble up because the water expands. So, you know, it's a sound effect.
That's cool. I didn't know that. That's why I did that.
Yeah, that's why it expands. That's why it makes a little bubble like that. So it's very important. Also, we're going to be dealing with CH4. What is CH4?
Carbon.
Methane gas.
Yeah, that.
More importantly, what does methane gas do? Hey,
Methane?
what does methane gas do to
Don't
them?
they use it in hospitals?
I don't know. I'm waiting on you to tell us.
It's flammable.
Oh.
It's explosive.
Well, they don't use that in hospitals.
Demetrius!
Yeah, it's not real good at all. Okay, I have a feeling someone's going to get hurt, but guess what? You remember that safety contract?
He don't care.
Exactly. Say it one more time.
He don't care.
Because if you get hurt,
It's your fault.
exactly.
Are you
Dang, I can't do that. So,
Okay, so, before, refocus. Okay, how many of you guys want to see a show of hands? How many of you guys actually read that safety contract?
I'm lying.
You're lying. Who actually read the entire thing?
My mom did.
Mama,
Who read the entire thing? Okay, what was important about that? Okay, so really quick. Refocus. Ice the front.
Oh, but Jesus.
I don't see nothing.
Okay, so the reason that safety contract has a couple stipulations in there. You guys should have read it. If you didn't read it, guess what? That should be your first lesson. Always read a safety contract or any kind of contract before you sign it. So,
I did this.
he's not here. He's not.
No, these are my, I don't know what they really is.
Good answer. Okay, so, pay attention. Okay, so with this experiment, lot of things can go wrong.
But can I give you
So let me just break it down for you guys what you guys are doing. I want you guys to go ahead and take a look at your guys' pieces of paper here. For the hypothesis section, I want you guys to write water will boil at whatever temperature you think it's going to boil at. So for the hypothesis, I want you to write down water is going to boil at whatever temperature you think it's going to boil at. All right? So if you think it's going to boil at 1,000 degrees,